This is Fluency Module 3, Lesson 27, and today's is going to be short and sweet. What I want you to do is look at this very first page on your whiteboard or paper that you have there. I want you to answer these three questions: 60 divided by 2, 600 divided by 2, and 6,000 divided by 2. If you need to stop the video because you need more time, then do pause it so that you can finish that. But let's look at those answers and then compare them. So 60 divided by 2 is 30. In other words, 30 times 2 is going to equal 60. What about 600 divided by 2? Well, that's going to be 300. And then 6,000 divided by 2 is 3,000. So when you look at those three answers, what do you notice about them? So I noticed right away that they all start with a 3. And then my zeros depend on the number of zeros that were behind the 6. So this is when we're dividing and multiplying with tens or multiples of 10. It's actually really quite simple. So we really just need to know, well, what is 6 divided by 2? What is 6 divided by 2? Well, we know that's 3. And then we take this 0 right here and we add it onto the end because we're doing 6 tens divided by 2. Well, that's 3 tens, which is the same thing as 30. 600 would be the same as 6 hundreds divided by 2, which would give us 3 hundreds. And that also works for 6 thousands divided by 2, gives us 3,000. Sometimes when we add that place value in and think of it that way, it makes it a little bit easier. And then you can also use that trick of just counting your zeros. The next page is very similar. I want you to do the same thing. I want you to write down these answers. Stop the video if you need more time. Just pause it. All right, coming back, let's look at that. Let's look at that first one, 80 divided by 2. We could say that as 8 tens. That looks like fins, but it's tens. Divided by 2. Well, 8 tens divided by 2 that's 4 tens, or 40. We look at the next one, 12 hundreds divided by 3. So 12 hundreds divided by 3. Well, we know that 12 divided by 3 equals 4, so that gives us 4 hundreds, or our answer is 400. And the last one works the same way. I'm going to abbreviate hundreds so that we have more room. 12 hundreds divided by 4, 12 hundreds divided by 4 gives us 3 hundreds, and that gives us 300. That's it for Fluency today. Short day. Have a good day.